In this video, I will show you how to remove background from this type of image to this type in just a few seconds. Go to firefly.adobe.com, link in the description, and select this option generative fill and click on generate and upload an image from your gallery. I will upload an image from here. Then you have to select this option background. It will remove the background and describe what type of background you need. After processing, it will generate you 4 choices. You have to select one, this type, and this type. If you want to add more, then click on more. It will generate more 4 choices and you have to select and keep. I want to keep this, then keep and download from here. You can see the final output and the HD clarity in this image, and it is more realistic. Please don't forget to subscribe our channel for more this type of the short tutorials.